What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's pretty nice out. Well, that's a lie. It's actually very hot out. It's like 92 degrees out right now. That's why we're back in full squid mode. Tank top and my extremely ripped jeans. We're meeting up with some friends and we're gonna go on a ride, a little group ride. I know you guys like those. I do too. We haven't been doing too many of those because it's been cold, but randomly, literally I went on a ride yesterday and it was pretty dang cold, and today that's not the case. It's literally 92 degrees, like 30 degrees hotter. Oh, missing one more. What's up, guys? Woo! Woo! Congrats on the new bike. Bro, I'm in full squid mode today. Yeah, I have Google and I was like, what's the temperature? It said 92. I'm like, all right, tanked up it is. How you doing? The Graves. You're gonna be making more power than me if you tune it. Is it tuned? Yeah, it's tuned. So it's making more power than me. Yeah, I'm gonna get it retuned though. Yeah? Yeah. Like properly dyno tuned? I'm thinking about the new 2022 V4s. Huh? Yeah, I think that's what I'm aiming for. 2022 V4 or a 2022 S1000. We'll see, one of those. We will see. Yeah, definitely V4 is my first option, but you get so much more with S1000 for like the same price. That's the problem, you know. And a lot of people like my V4. 3 weeks, dude. Yeah, so I got a little tease. Yeah. What was that? We decided to not hit a canyon, just a cruise. So we're gonna go to the BMW dealership and the Ducati dealership because why not? Look at bikes, maybe make spontaneous decisions. You never know. That bike is too pretty, man. Excuse me, sir. Are literally sweaty. That's how hot it is. Went into neutral again. like, what is all that dust? It's horsies. We got 200 horsies right here. Undercover, man. Oh.
You don't like the logo BMW? You ignore it?
Yeah.
I saw you turn, I was like, oh.
Bro, we hit like a big bug patch.
Yeah,
I got smacked like everywhere.
Yeah, you ain't that. You feel all of it.
Yeah.
Memories back, man.
Little stop at BMW. And now we're going to Ducati. We didn't know where to ride, so we're like, let's go look at bikes. I really hate riding in those jeans. My legs are just way too exposed. And now we're going on the freeway. I'm gonna get smacked a lot. Oh, I just got smacked by a rock. Oh, it's like dead here. Oh man.